We have some old Motor Trend magazines. I believe this is from 1966. Good morning, everybody. To get some fresh air today, and so me and my daughter are out. We're trying to look at some ducks and trying to enjoy the view, get some fresh air. I hope you guys are having a fantastic Tuesday. You guys stumbled on the right video to watch today. I have some amazing finds for you guys. I'm so excited to show you guys what I found out in my area at garage sales, estate sales, swap meets. I'm at it all. So I have some amazing finds for you guys. I can't wait to show you guys. If you like anything you see, it would be the link down below. It would have my eBay page on it, and all this stuff would be available to purchase. But yeah, let me show you guys what I found. And if you'd like to know how I do what I do, please follow me on YouTube, and I post videos there. And you guys can see the tips and tricks and places I go to find all this stuff. So let me just jump right into it and show you guys what I got. So these are some of the finds I found. We have some old Motor Trend magazines. I believe this is from 1966. And then this one's also from 1966. Got some old sport magazines, which are super cool. Got Mickey Mantle. And then let's see, what's it look like inside? Oh, it just looks super vintagey, super cool. Got some Beale magazines. I believe this one's from the 60s. It's also volume 1 of number 1. I have some original artwork. And then it looks like some of this stuff. There's the guy's signature. And this looks like the Ghostbusters. And this one looks more like the 80s, which is super cool. So I got that. We have this lithograph from Walt Disney. This is from the 80s. Some old manuals. This is a concept artwork piece that if you ever recognize, if you just type in this name, and you'll see all like glass or advertisements with this logo on it. And this is the concept artwork of that logo that you see today, which is a pretty cool piece that I got. Let's see, what else I got for you guys. This 1911 Life magazine cutout of this cool car. Be cool in the photo. And on the back of it, it has this like a painting from James Montagram, and I know he's super famous. And so this came out of the 1911 Life magazine, which is super cool. So like you got double side on that. This was a cool find. I'm not really into artwork, but it has all these signatures on it. And I believe this guy's name's Charles. But yeah, Warren Lawrence, 1984, and has these waiters, which is kind of like a cool little piece. And then I think the coolest piece that I found was this. Good luck trying to find it anywhere online, because I tried and I can't find anything about it. But this is a super cool piece where the mechanics would put in their stuff, you know, taking in notes, and like on your car or your Ford. And I want to say this is from, I think, the 40s. I believe it's from the 40s. But there's no writing on it. All original. One of a kind. I mean, I can't find anything on it. And it's just super cool. Standard fleet service. Manual, I guess. But yeah, I'm assuming it hanged up on the wall. And then, because it's has that like wood backing. But yeah, super cool piece. But if you like anything you guys see today, like I said, link is down below. So check out down below on my eBay page where you can purchase all this stuff. And like I said, if you like to know where I go, how I do what I do, please follow me on YouTube, which is in the link in the bio above my page. All right, guys, I'm coming back with a whole bunch more stuff. I have a lot of things lined up, and I hope to show you guys a little bit more stuff. I hope you guys have a blessed day.